Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gorgeous 7-bedroom, 9-bathroom home for sale. It sits on zero point 0.4 acres of land. It overlooks the breathtaking turquoise waters of the Duncans Bay beach in Trelawny. It was designed as a duplex, so it has incredible income earning potentials. It is also complemented by a great layout with angles and windows that allows you to experience direct ocean views, as well as the cool breeze directly from the ocean, enhanced by the sounds of birds and complete relaxation. The outdoor areas allow for those lazy days spent soaking up the sun with the most beautiful beach just minutes away. Here you will find a little something to satisfy your spirit. Duncans Bay, Trelawny, is a quiet, quaint resort community. Next to Silver Sands, it is about 35 minutes away from both Ocho and Montego Bay, as well as just over an hour from Kingston. It offers safety, relaxation, views with an absolute beautiful beach. This area is already established for vacation rentals, retirement, investment, and for those who are searching for something rare. Make your appointment and explore this lovely home today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 770,000 or Jamaican $118.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.